Crypto 2-minute tutorial. How to add the Fantom Network to your MetaMask wallet. The goal of this tutorial is to add Fantom to the Networks tab in your MetaMask wallet. First step, go to coinmarketcap.com. In the search bar, type in SpookySwap. Go to the SpookySwap.finance website. Allow this site to add a network. We will be adding the Fantom Opera network. Press Approve. Switch network. You now have the Fantom Network in your Networks tab in your MetaMask. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.